Good morning, folks. It's Ed from Mr. C's Automart. We have a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo E-Package. So the E-Package gives you the power seats, the nicer wheels, and this one is got the 3.6 liter Pent engine, 290 horsepower. It's also a four-wheel drive Jeep Quadra Trac 1 on-demand four-wheel drive. It's got these nice 17-inch aluminum wheels, chrome accents on the grille, fog lamps, and surround window trim and vertical roof rails. So you pan around the car, you see it's maximum steel, which is a nice blue-gray color. WeatherTech mats, including a WeatherTech cargo mat. It's got a Class 4 tow hitch with a wiring harness. It tows 7,200 pounds. Again, panning around the car, one of the great things about this one is it's optioned with these two-tone KATZKIN MOPAR KATZKIN leather. So you see it's got the Jeep badging on it. It's black leather with beige inserts. Beautiful. It's got a manual height adjustable passenger seat, which is also heated, and it's got the gold dashboard trim. We're going to have this for $12,998. It has 111,000 miles, which is low mileage for a 2015. It does have a power lumbar, including the power driver's seat. 111,000 miles. Push button start, passive keyless entry, Uconnect radio. Visit the website MrC'sAutomart.com or call me directly 708-473-2014. Thanks.